As the title suggests, this video will teach you how to save videos using a free tool. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to the VidBrowser official website. VidBrowser is a tool that saves videos from any webpage completely free. Saved videos are in high quality and high frame rate. Currently supports both Windows and Mac. Select your operating system to install. Step 2. Open the software and change the default saving settings. Click the Settings button in the bottom left. Click the Download button. Click the File option and change the save location. Step 3. Go back to the home screen where you'll see a search bar. Paste the video link you want to save or directly enter the website URL. VidBrowser has Google Chrome built in, so you can browse just like normal. Step 4. Find the video you want to save on the website. Move your mouse over the video. A red button will appear at the top. Click the red button, then click play. You can see the timer running. You control exactly how long you want to save. The number on the right is the playback speed multiplier, useful for saving long videos faster. Step 5. Click the download button on the left side of the software. You can see your saved video files. Click the folder button on the right. Find and play the video in the folder. All videos are lossless and high frame rate. That's the complete process. Reminder: always check the platform's terms before saving. Make sure you rate staying legal and compliant. If this helped you, please leave a like. Feel free to ask questions in the comments. I'll keep updating the tutorials.